Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about binary search, part of data structures using C++ course. A binary search is an efficient search algorithm used to search for a target element in a sorted array. It works by dividing the search interval into halves and only focusing on the half where the target element is likely to be. The process continues until the target is found or the search interval is empty. The time complexity of binary search is O of log n in the average and worst case scenario, making it much faster than the linear search algorithm. Here is a simple example of binary search in C++. In this example, the binary search function takes an array ARR, its size n, and the target element to be searched as input. It uses a while loop to repeatedly divide the search interval into halves until the target is found or the search interval is empty. If the target is found, its index is returned. Otherwise, the function returns -1 to indicate that the element is not present in the array. In the main method, we create a sample array of 1 to 5, and the size of the array is stored in n, and the value that need to be searched is stored in target. These parameters are passed to binary search function, and the result is stored in result variable. Based on the result, we print different statements as shown on the screen. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.